As we navigate the complexities of today's global economy, high-quality, data-driven insights are no longer a luxury. They are a necessity. GF-ACCORDAI's proprietary reports are designed to provide exactly that: insights that give businesses a competitive edge. Two key examples of this come from our previous generation AI technology, developed before 2024, the US 500 company analysis and our comprehensive cryptocurrency reports. Both of these represent just a fraction of the value GF-ACCORDAI's AI-driven solutions can offer. Let's start with the US 500 reports. These documents don't merely describe companies. They provide a deep, data-driven analysis that cuts through the noise to reveal actionable insights. Valued between $25,000 and $60,000, these reports offer in-depth SWOT analyses across sectors such as finance, healthcare, and technology. The key differentiator here is the use of advanced AI and big data tools. Rather than static reports, GF-ACCORDAI's analyses evolve, providing forecasts and strategic recommendations that help companies and investors make more informed decisions. In today's volatile market environment, having this kind of intelligence is not just useful, it's essential for risk mitigation and opportunity capture. Next, consider our Pre-2024 cryptocurrency reports. As digital currencies and blockchain technologies rapidly transform global finance, businesses are increasingly aware that they need reliable insights to navigate this dynamic landscape. Our cryptocurrency reports, built on the foundation of GF-ACCORDAI's proprietary AI models, offer more than just a snapshot of Bitcoin or Ethereum. They delve deeply into the full spectrum of blockchain technology, from ICOs and smart contracts to digital wallets. These AI-enhanced insights, especially in a field as fast-moving as cryptocurrency, can prove invaluable. The intellectual property behind these models alone could be worth up to $250,000. This isn't just another report. It's a strategic tool that allows businesses to anticipate shifts in a highly fluid market and make decisions that are data-backed and future-proofed. Beyond the immediate value of the insights themselves, these reports offer significant lead generation potential. Consulting firms, corporate strategists, and private equity investors can use these documents as powerful tools to engage new clients and partners. Imagine presenting AI-driven, big data-powered reports that reveal market trends and identify opportunities others might miss. That kind of value can easily translate into $100,000 to $300,000 in new business engagements. And as the market shifts, these opportunities continue to grow, offering sustained value over time. But perhaps the most important aspect of these reports is the tangible benefits they offer to clients. GF-ACCORDAI's insights empower businesses to make smarter decisions, anticipate changes, and adapt strategies for growth. These reports are not just about information, they provide foresight. Clients using our data can forecast with greater precision, navigate risks more effectively, and capitalize on emerging trends that will shape their industries. This translates into real-world advantages, better operational decisions, stronger competitive positioning, and measurable growth. To summarize, the combined value of these reports easily exceeds $700,000, but their true worth goes far beyond the numbers. The US 500 and cryptocurrency reports, both developed before 2024, are foundational tools for any business or investor seeking to lead in today's rapidly changing environment. They provide not just data, but the insights that drive long-term success and innovation.